Okay, class, this is lesson 2 about seas and oceans. And this lesson covers the importance of seas and oceans, then plus marine relief. Since we covered the importance of lakes and rivers, I think they are not far different from the importance of seas and oceans because they are all water bodies. So briefly, let us look at the importance of seas and oceans. Number one, seas and oceans are a source of fish. They promote fishing, and when fish is caught, it acts as food for man. Next, seas and oceans promote tourism. People come all over the world to visit seas and oceans, especially to look at coastal features, both erosional and depositional features. Features like caves, features like arches, features like cliffs, features like wave-cut platforms, etc. When they come, they pay foreign currency, which is a form of foreign exchange. Next, seas and oceans provide cheap transport, navigation. Next, seas and oceans are a source of water for home use and industrial use. Seas and oceans regulate river flow. That's where most of the rivers end, and this controls floods. Seas and oceans modify climate because they cause or they lead to the formation of convectional rainfall after evaporation. Seas and oceans promote research and fieldwork. Seas and oceans create jobs to many people, especially fishermen, people using boats, sailing on oceans and seas, transporting people and cargo, etc. Then we are now looking at marine relief. As usual, relief refers to the physical appearance of the landscape. But this time we are going to see the physical appearance of the crust or landscape under the ocean. The oceanic crust has relief, and this relief has different zones. Zone number 1, we have continental shelf or platform. This is a gently sloping area submerged under oceanic water. It is gently sloping. It is not very steep. It is not very flat. It is gentle. We have a diagram which will help us to illustrate and summarize these zones. Then we have continental slope. This is a steep slope extending from the continental shelf to the deep sea plain. After continental shelf, which is gentle, we go to continental slope, which is steeper than the continental shelf. Then we have deep sea plains. As you all know, a plain is an extensive flat area. So deep sea plains are extensive submerged flat areas. They are submerged, they are under the water level of the sea, but they are flat and extensive. The diagram will help us. We have another zone called ocean ridge. This appears like a mountain standing in an ocean like an island. These are submarine ridges with steep side slopes. Sometimes they reach the sea level and even project or reach above the water surface. They appear as islands. These have steeper sides compared to the rest. And we have ocean dips, trenches. These are depressions and trenches on the ocean floor. They are deeper than the rest. Ocean ridges are steeper than the rest, and ocean dips are deeper than the rest. We can have a diagram which summarizes these zones. If you check on this diagram, the first gentle slope, this part which slopes gently but also submerged, is what we have called continental shelf. After continental shelf, you go to a steep one with a steep side. This one we have called it continental slope. After that, you go to this raised ridge, standing. Sometimes we say it reaches the water level or goes beyond the water level, called oceanic ridge. And after you go very deep into the sea, this part which goes very deep, we have called it oceanic trench. And the other extensive part, extensive plain, but also submerged, we have called it deep plain or abyssal plain. Thank you.